I got some higher end stuff over here, but it's more expensive. Like this had 50, this is like 20, so it's like, you know, higher end stuff.
I'll check it out.
So those jeans, we paid $1 a piece and we sold them $6 a piece, so we made 5, and he bought 11 pairs, so we made like $60 off that transaction. Now that the fog died down.
Let's fly back to it, all right?
Yeah, for sure. You can put it over here if you want. You can put your bag down too. You got those out here?
Yeah.
I've never even seen these colorway before.
But bought it for 10.
Are they real or are they fake?
Yeah.
They're real?
They're real.
Yeah, I've never even seen that color.
Oh, this is a chopper.
Shit's so hard. I want like 20 on it though. Because if not, I was gonna keep it for the personal.
This is a chopper, right?
Yeah. Yeah, he's looking at a rearview mirror.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see that.
Yeah, that's what's hard about it. I was like, that's just gas. 5. 10 for the Levi's. All the Carhartts, I think they're all like 40, 44. They're $10 a piece.
$10?
Yeah. Size 12.
You got any coins?
I don't. I usually just deal with clothes, but I'm moving, so I randomly started going through my stuff, and I just found that and the cards. Whoever did labeled them all and put them all in different things, so. 60 for the set. I could do 50 for both. You could stack them too.
I'm sure it's gonna be a deal for someone, but I don't want to put the time into it.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Thank you. If you guys are walking around too, I can put it to the back.
To the car,
okay.
So
there you go. Thank you. So I just sold those two white little dresser things for 50 bucks. I think I got those at the Salvation Army for 30 bucks. So I made 20 bucks and I used them for an entire year. I'm gonna use that money to tint my windshield. We're gonna do 50% on this, but stay tuned for another video. Perfect, thank you. Basically all sold out of denim. If you guys remember, this whole table was filled with denim. Now there's nothing.
no more.
No more. Sold out. This was filled. Yeah. This morning, yeah, filled. Yeah. Now no more.
That's good.
Yeah, good for me. Bad for you.
Next week you come back?
Yes, next Sunday.
More here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'll bring more. Yeah, it seems like denim does well, so I'll bring more. Because look, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs, and like I said, this was like maybe 20, 30 pairs. So that was really good, which is good because, like I said, I want to make space. I mean, we had those two or those 3 things gone, so that makes a lot of space. As long as we go on with empty bins, we're doing good. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got rid of that fur jacket for 20 bucks just to get rid of it. That thing was taking up way too much. It wasn't even real fur. It was like fake fur, so it was taking up way too much space. Got rid of that for 20 bucks.
I have a black pair. I love them.
Yeah.
I don't get to go out and use them enough, though.
I am actually, have you seen the moon boots? Like they're like big boots.
Yeah.
I just ordered a pair for myself.
Well, you know what? I have the black ones in these, but I bought North Face boots.
Yeah.
And they're just they.
I have another bag if you want.
Yeah, probably a better idea. And they're so much warmer than even these.
Oh really?
Yeah, and they're just.
It's crazy sometimes with the
not
insulation
fur.
and stuff.
Yeah, that's.
You know.
I love it out there.
There's that.
Thank you.
You didn't pay.
How much are these little things?
60 for the set, 30 each.
How much is this?
That bag's 10, and it can get bigger on the bottom. It expands.
Lack of caffeine. I got up and took off running. I should have stayed around and drank some coffee.
Yeah, I'm moving to Colorado, so I'm just literally selling everything.
Freaking love it out there.
Yeah, I can't get enough.
I'm definitely a mountain girl, that's for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Out there, but I can't talk my husband into go, and I said, let's freaking get out of this rat race and get some ATV,
Yeah.
automobiles.
Yeah, I'm getting a camper put on my truck, and I'm gonna just be off grid, just exploring the Midwest and stuff like that. So, and then I'll settle down and get an apartment in Colorado. That's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend. I don't know if you want the skate deck for 10 bucks. It's brand new. Never mountain.
What size?
31, 32.
33.
Yeah, I don't think I have. I think these are 34.
I said to myself, no more. Then I bought a pair of boxing gloves.
I think it's 34.